What's going on, guys? Are you new to cryptocurrencies? Well, if you are, this is the right channel for you. I created this channel to kind of streamline the process of answering the same questions over and over again. People often come to me and they ask, Mike, how do I buy my first Bitcoin? How do I set up my Ether wallet? How do I buy an altcoin? So I've created some tutorials for you guys to kind of walk you through the process so that you can get invested in cryptocurrencies yourselves if you choose to do so. I'll also offer you some resources that I've found to be very trusted and accurate over an extended period of time. And lastly, I'll have a crypto news show every Friday called the Crypto Friday 5, where I just run through the previous week in cryptocurrencies so that you guys, as passive or maybe beginner investors, have a general idea of what's going on in the cryptocurrency space as a whole, because it moves very fast. And I respect and appreciate your time, so I'm keeping the videos as short as I can. So if you guys enjoy the videos, hit that thumbs up button or hit the subscribe button if you want more videos in the future, and I will see you guys soon. Cheers.
The more I run, the farther away it seems. What is green is always more than a yard away. Art is in me.